Today in math class we talked about adding and subtracting decimals. One of the key parts here is lining up the decimals to make sure that they are on the same place values. I know Miss Nauman last year taught the saying line up the dot and show me what you got, or give it what you got. So once again, what you see here is you have 58 hundredths plus 71 thousandths. What you want to see done is that you first start off with your decimals, make sure they are lined up. Now I have 58 hundredths, so I'm going to write that just like that, and I have 71 thousandths. Now as you can see here, there's one more value than there is on the second one than there is the first one. You can actually add a 0 onto 58 hundredths to make it 580 thousandths. Going back to what we talked about on Wednesday, they are equivalent. Once you have that part now, you can just go ahead and add. We have 1 plus 0, which is 1. 8 plus 7, which is 15. You bring down your 5, and just like you do with regular addition, you carry your 1 to the next place value, or that 10. So then you get 1 plus 5 plus 0, which is 6. And last but not least, don't forget that decimal point. Also, if there was any measurements or units there, they will write their label. So if they were talking about meters or yards or puppies or whatever it may be, you want to make sure you put that label there too. The same thing applies with subtraction. You still want to line up the dot, line up your decimals. Alright, now here's where it's very important to make sure you add that extra 0 on, because most times what I see kids do is they'll say, well, there's nothing here, so it's just going to put 1. But we have to make sure that we put a 0 here so we can do the correct subtraction. So we know that we can't take away 1 from 0, so we have to end up borrowing and make this 8 to 7. And we carry over a 10, so now we can do 10 minus 1, which is 9. 7 minus 7 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. And once again, keep that decimal point there.